you still don't know how to do TikTok, you will lose out in 2024. I start my TikTok account in 2022 and it grew from 0 follower to 30k follower in just 1 year. I help many clients to grow their TikTok account and embark on my first digital marketing journey. Previously, I'm just a 40 years old mommy and feeling so bored working for a 9 to 5 job, and it's super tiring and boring. I never think that I will have this career switch to this more flexible job and more creative job where I can have my time, I have more free time, and I have more income, and most importantly, I can help many clients to embark on this journey. I'm just a normal auntie with 1 kid, and I can embark on this journey. Why can't you? I would like to help someone who feel the same as me and always want to try something new but still remain at their comfort zone. This is my diary that I create this TikTok account from scratch, and I would like to share with all of you so that you will not face the same problem as me. Come for my 4 hours TikTok workshop and you will bring back 3 things. First, create a brand that's most suitable for you. Second, create videos with different angles that will go viral. Number 3 secrets of creating viral video. On top of that, I'm giving a career profiling report worth $198. This report, you will be able to know your career structure and what type of career that is most suitable for you. And it includes an action plan also for 2024. What are you waiting for? Click on the link at the comment section to register today. Seats are limited. Register today.